When you manage a job in Dronedesk, it's presented in a single screen, so we give you everything that you need to manage that job end to end. So the Manage Job screen looks like this, broken down into sections. And Dronedesk enables you to customize which sections are included in a job on screen like this, and also in the exports that you're able to generate for each job. So to configure that, you can go into the top right menu, Settings, and Job Sections. Or if you need to access it quickly from a job, you can click on the gear icon, and that'll take you directly to Job Sections in Settings. So there are 6 varieties of jobs, which we call job types. So standard, simple, complex, simulation, indoor, and non-drone jobs. So these enable you to configure different types of job depending on the complexity of that job. So you might create a simple configuration for jobs where you're regularly flying, for example, in a training location in a field somewhere, and then maybe a complex configuration for when you're flying in the middle of a city, for example. So this is broken down very simply into all of the sections that you've just seen on screen, and you can tick or untick any of those sections to enable them or disable them, depending on your requirements. So the first column covers the screen view, and then the second, third, and fourth column cover the views that are generated when you export a job either to PDF, to print, or to a shareable URL. So as you can see, you can have multiple configuration combinations depending on your requirements. Not only can you select which options are included, but you can also reorder the sections. So for example, if you want the sign off in the pre-deployment section, then you can click the up and down arrow, drag that section down to pre-deployment. So the order is entirely configurable as well. Everything's saved as you go, so you'll get confirmation in the top right when you've made an update. So as soon as you make any changes here, that will impact all of the jobs that have been assigned to this particular job class in the system, whether or not they're historic or live.